Let's just say I will check for a condition. If condition is true, then body of the if will execute. If condition is false, then body of else will execute. What if I want to go further and check? Let's say, for example, if condition is false, then else block will execute. In else block, I want to check for one more condition. So that is where we make use of if else if block. So let's look into this example which I'm going to write here. In this example, we are going to check if a number is 0 or it is positive number or a negative number. See, I have a file called, basically I created a file called positive or negative or 0.java, in which I have a class called positive or negative or 0. So what I'm going to do here, I will have one, let's say, variable called int num equal to, let's say, minus 10, something like this. Now I want to check if a number is positive, negative, or it is equal to 0. First I'll check if num greater than 0. Then I will say num is positive number. Now else, see, now if I say else, I will be able to check either it is negative or 0, something like that. What I want to do now is I want to check whether it is equal to 0. Then I want to check if it is equal to if it is a negative number, if it is less than 0 as such. So what I'll do here, if else, if I'll straight away add one more condition here. If num equal to 0, then I will say num is 0. Now the last one, again I can go further and continue checking like this, but what I'll do now, since there is only one last condition which I need to check, and that is already been checked here, there's only one option is remaining. So I'll straight away print here saying that num is negative number. So let me compile this. Java C. You see that minus 10 is a negative number. Suppose if number is equal to 0, what will happen now? We get the output as 0 is the that is 0 is 0. Now we have to understand that here this check for a condition and it return false. So it come to else block. In else block we check for a condition which returns true. So the body of if is executed. Then it will never come to the else block here. This is how we make use of if else if statements.